So welcome back to the channel. So today is Pajero day. So we're gonna do change oil on this Pajero, on Ivan's Pajero. Say hi, Ivan. And then on my Pajero. But this video will be about the differential. So one of the PMS, preventive maintenance service, is to change your gear oil. And the recommended gear oil is ATW90. Because I remember when I was young, I was trying to do a procedure where I didn't check if I can remove the fuel plug. So I drained it, but I wasn't able to put fluids in because the fuel plug was frozen. So let's go remove the fuel plug first. So this is the rear of the car. Let's go under, and then this is your differential, this is your drain plug, and then this is your fuel plug. So first, let's remove the fuel plug.
Hindi ako gumagalaw eh.
Hiya!
Ay, wala ang belo. Ano pala? Ayaw na si. Wala ang cheater.
Ayaw mo yan.
Ayaw eh.
Let me get the back wrench.
So as much as possible. Oh, no.
Paano ba?
Other side. Use the box.
Ito.
Yeah. So as much as possible, you should avoid using the 12 point. But the box has a better leverage.
Paano? Lupit.
Crooked na. I'll do it.
Kaya.
Weak.
Hindi, wala lang yung leverage ko. Hindi ko pa alam yung technique.
Just to make sure. Let's put some.
Ay!
If you want to measure your oil level, so obviously this is very full, because you will see that this is all covered and it's dripping out, so obviously it's very full. But if you're having doubts if your differential oil is filled, so use your Allen wrench, dip it like so, and then bring it out. So your minimum value should be about 5 millimeter, or just top it up all the time you open it. So now that we open the fuel plug, now we are confident to open the drain plug. So the recommended gear oil is ATW90. Fortunately, Mitsubishi here doesn't have it, so we're gonna use AC Delco. As long as it's ATW90 and it's GL5, it doesn't matter what brand it is.
So we're gonna fill it up with a pump. We can use gravity, long tube funnel, but I would just rather use a pump. So while we are draining the oil or the fluid, let's fill this up. You can actually use thicker ones, especially if your vehicle is older. I think the only drawback when your oil is thicker is it will cause drag. So performance-wise, it's you're gonna be a fraction slower, but that's it. Nothing so significant when you're not racing. Racing, yes. Your day-to-day activity, off-roading, doesn't matter. You can use a thicker one. So we are going to fill this up with 1.15. But as long as you fill the fill plug up to its brim, you don't need to measure it. So let's close the plug, let's close the drain plug, and then let's start filling.
So as I always advise for DIYer, use a torque wrench, torque it to, what was it, Ivan? 40,
7.79.
yeah, 48 foot-pounds.
We are done. So according to the manual, it was 1.15, but when I measured it, it wasn't even within the specification. So we actually topped it up to the brim, and we actually poured in 1.55. So it's more than 1.5 liters. So just keep that in mind, that you should be prepared to add more. And before you start this project, make sure you have a 24mm socket or a box wrench, which is what we used, and a 10mm Allen for the drain plug, and of course a torque wrench. So that's it. Hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Well, we are still not done. We're gonna do an oil change. We've already done a video about it, so you should check that out. And that's it. Bye.